Okay, thought I'd do a quick update on GBPUSD. It was one of the pairs I analysed over the weekend. I haven't taken a trade today, but I'm just doing my analysis now and looking at what might be setting up for tomorrow, which will be the 15th of October, Thursday. Basically, looking at the daily, looks like we're going to get this bullish close on about 5 minutes left in the candle, and we've got this shark pattern yet to complete at 1.32. And last week I said that if we close the weekly above 1.30, then I expected to see 1.32 this week. This pattern gives a bit more confidence and confirmation for that projection, as we did get the close above 1.30 last week. Anyway, yesterday we got this huge bearish candle, bearish engulfing, didn't break structure, price hasn't followed through on the bearish side, and what we can see is that we made a low, looks like a higher low, and we could get the push up now to complete this pattern. So I'm looking for buy setups tomorrow to take this one long to maybe complete this pattern. If we drop down to the 4-hour time frame, see that the push started in London session. I couldn't get an entry because price action on the lower time frame wasn't exactly as clean as I would like, so I had to leave it. But looking at the fib setup, you can see that we've tapped the 88.6 fib, and the ABCD projection completes around the 1.32 level. So that's further confluence for the bullish setup and the 1.32 target. So what I'm going to do is hopefully see if we can get another pattern forming on the 4-hour to confirm this target here. Ideally maybe see a move downwards and a move like this potentially. So maybe slight push up, then a move down to the 1.2940 level, and then look for buys if we get the confluence on the lower time frames to target 1.32. So that's the setup that I'm looking for tomorrow. We'll see how London opens, see if these highs are maintained, and if so, if we get the drop, and if we do, we can look to see if we get a setup around this area here. In terms of your zones, if you look left, we've got some resistance there, support there, around that level, so potentially hit this zone and move upwards tomorrow. If we get that and a pattern confirmation, I'll be getting in for the long.